Welcome back. Thanks for joining me for today's video. In this video, we would like to show you how to prepare traditional coconut sticky rice with mango. Before recreating this dish, you're gonna need to wash and soak the rice overnight. For the coconut sticky rice, we are going to need Thai sweet rice or glutinous rice, coconut milk, salt and sugar. Now we are going to drain the rice. Be careful with it, you don't want to break the grains. Make sure you drain it well. Let's just take a steamer and place muslin or cheesecloth. Make sure to fold the edges so you won't have problems with taking out the rice. Don't put the rice over the whole rack to avoid trapping the steam. The rice has to cook 25-30 minutes. For the coconut syrup, we're gonna need coconut milk, sugar and salt. In a small pot, we will put coconut milk, sugar, salt, and as soon as the sugar is dissolved, your syrup is done. Do not reduce it, we need a lot of liquid. Syrup has to be done before the rice is, so put the lid on it and keep it warm until the rice is ready. Now we're gonna cut our mango into cubes. And this is the easy way to do this. Meantime, our rice is ready, so we will take it out and immediately pour the syrup over and stir. You will cover the bowl with a lid and come back in 20 minutes to give it another stir. You need to make sure you are quick, the rice can absorb more when it's still warm. After 20 minutes we will flip our rice over. The liquid has mostly been absorbed. We will fold the bottom up and leave for another 20 minutes. You can do the coconut sticky rice ahead of time and keep it in the room temperature. If you would like to serve it next day, then put it in the fridge. Serve your coconut rice with mango on the side or on the top. It's a great dessert or even a breakfast. The link to printable recipe you will find in the description box below. For another traditional recipes, please subscribe to our channel and check our social media profiles.